Hi, it's Alison from Blue Cat Sewing, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these. It's a Christmas cracker hat. It's adjustable, so it should fit any head. And also, it will fit inside one of my Christmas crackers. I'll put the link to my pattern here where you can find it, but here's the tutorial to take you through it. Once you cut out your long rectangle, you need to fold it in half, and then half again, and then half again. And then place the paper pattern piece that you've cut out on top of it and clip it in place with 3 paper clips. And then all we need to do is to trim those corners off. You can get the pattern piece by downloading the pattern from my website, and that will give you all the sizes for how big to cut the rectangle as well. Now I've got some really big fabric scissors here that I've had for years. They're very sharp and they're very strong, and you need something like that to be able to get through all these layers. You could use a rotary cutter and one of those self-healing mats to really push down and get through those layers, whatever works for you. And then just take off the paper clips and you'll find that you have a hat. Open it out, and all we need to do now is to put the Velcro on. The longest part of the Velcro you need to put on the bottom left-hand corner of the hat, and then turn the hat over, and on the bottom left-hand corner again, you put the shorter piece of Velcro. Stitch each of them in place all around on your sewing machine, and that's it. That's all we have to do. Don't forget to backstitch at the beginning and the end of your sewing, and that will secure your stitches in place. To put the hat on, it really is so easy. There's no ribbons to tie or anything complicated. You just wrap it around your head and make it fit. It should fit any size. If I get it on really small, it may even fit my dog. I hope you enjoyed making this hat. Don't forget to give me a like. Happy sewing and a happy Christmas. See you on the next one.